Here is another video that might help you install skirt board if you have a spacer attached to the stringer. You can see here where we do not have a spacer for the drywall, but here we do. And it is a 3/4 inch, maybe a 1x4. And if the treads and risers are not extending too far past the stringer, I've seen this before because I've installed them like that before, and had the finished carpenters complain about it to the building superintendents. And of course the spacer is for drywall. So let's go ahead and install our 1/2 inch drywall. Now if you're going to be installing 5/8 drywall, this probably isn't going to work. And of course for those of you who can do simple math, you will realize that we're going to end up with a 1/4 inch gap right here. And that 1/4 inch gap might allow you to install a piece of veneer. And in our example here, we are installing an 1/8 of an inch piece of veneer. So this is oak veneer. Well, wait a minute, since I'm not paying for it, this is actually the most expensive wood you could buy. And since I don't know exactly what that wood is, I will pretend like it's teak. And if you like the look of this, you can leave it as is and use some adhesive and some small nails to attach it to the wall. If not, install some trim around it. You might need to create your own trim because remember, we are working with an 1/8 of an inch piece of veneer and the trim is going to be shaped. And you will see that here in a second. Okay, the top miter and our trim profile. So you can see here where it laps over our skirt board. And that, my friends, will provide you with another tool for your stair building and finished carpentry toolbox. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.